Hello. In this video, we're going to go over solving system of equations by substitution. We're going to solve two system of equations using this method. Let's jump straight into it, and let's start with the one on the left. When we're using substitution, the goal is to substitute. So what I need to see here is we need a variable that is on its own on one side of the equal sign. That gives us something that we can substitute. So if we take a look at these two, we have y equals 6x minus 11, negative 2x minus 3y equals negative 7. Now, I can immediately use this equation to substitute. Why? Well, y is equal to 6x minus 11, correct? That is what y is equal to. That means, as I rewrite the second equation here, for this y, I can replace that value because that is what y is equal to. And then all we're going to do is solve. Distribute your negative 3. And here we go. We see we have negative 20x plus 33 equals negative 7. We'll subtract negative 33 to the other side. Negative 20x equals negative 4. Divide by negative 20. X is equal to positive 2. Now, we're not done because the answer of these equations must be, or questions, must be in XY form. So we have X, we must plug it back in for Y. Y equals 6 times 2, replace it for X, minus 11. Y equals 12 minus 11, Y equals 1. The answer to this system of equations is 2, 1. Easy. Now let's talk about a situation when we don't have any variable by itself just yet. Well, what we do know how to do is manipulate a formula or an equation to get a variable by itself using inverse operations. And we have videos on one-step equation and two-step equations to cover that process. Here I see my y has no coefficient and attached to a negative 5x or added to a negative 5x. I think it would be easier to solve for this y than it would be for this y or that x or this x, mainly because there's no coefficient. So we're going to rewrite this equation, and we're going to get y by itself by adding 5x to the other side. Y is equal to 5x plus 19. Now again, since that's what y is equal to, that means I can then replace that for the y in my other equation. And let's do that. Negative 3x minus 8 times 5x plus 19, equals 20. And all we're going to do is distribute and clean up. Negative 3x minus 40x, and 8 times 19 is 152, I believe, equal to 20. Combine like terms on this side. Move over our 152 to the other side. We have negative 43x is equal to 152 plus 20. And what we have here is negative 43 is equal to 172. We're going to divide by negative 43, divide by negative 43. X is equal to negative 4. Now we're not done. We must plug that back in to solve for y. Y equals 5 times negative 4 plus 19. Y equals negative 20 plus 19. Y equals negative 1. And the answer to this system of these equations is negative 4, negative 1. Nice and easy. That is simple. In another video, we'll go over eliminations and we'll go over solving systems of equations by graphing. I hope everyone has a great day.